Hi, this tutorial on Visual Basic 2010, and as you can see, the header. This is a summary of all my tutorials. It's a large project, part 1. In this project, we will use 4 controls: buttons, list boxes, labels, and text box. And the program which we will create today is about adding age to the list box and displaying if you can have a license, driving license, depending on your age. So I will give you some time to read it. You can just stop the video and read it through and try it yourself. You can also look how I do it and then maybe try to change something like this so that you learn. Okay, so as you can see, I've done my form already just to save some time. You can have different design. It's about you how you design it. I just did it like this. So what I do first is program add button. As you can see here, is add age. So I add, click on it, and I need to have some kind of variable. I will just use variable age as string, and then age is equal to text box one.text. And now I can do my validation rules. So as I state in the document, you will need some kind of validations. If you read it, you will know. Okay, so first of all, I will go with if, and the validation will be age is equal to nothing. Then I will display some kind of message, so message box, and I will be please enter your age. So please enter your age. So that's one validation. Now I need another. So else if age it's not is numeric. So what does it mean? Not numeric. So if it's a character or sign, then it should display some kind of message. So if it's not number, then I will display message that you need to input a number. So message box, and please insert whole numbers only. So you can have only whole numbers. Now I can add another validation. So else if. Now else if, for example, someone inputs a value that is minus, actually that wouldn't work because it's a sign. So for example, if you put more than 100 years or 1000 years, that wouldn't be too good because no one lives 2000 years. So what I can do is if else if, so age is more than 100 years, then I will say message box, and I will say please enter your age up to 100 years. Okay, so I have my validation rules. So everything else should add to the list box. So I will just do else, and I will say list box one dot items dot add and age. So I will show you how we do it. So for example, I haven't input anything. I click on add, you will see I have error message, please enter your age. So when I input, for example, some kind of letters, I will again have a message, please insert whole numbers only. And if I input, for example, 120, please enter your age up to 100 years. I can also add something like this. Text box clear. So that will mean it will clear all the things. I will not need to repeat I mean to select them and delete myself, so it's quite handy to use it. Okay, so that will clear it. I can also do it here, so it's just way faster than okay. I have my add age. Now I want to do my clear button. So clear, its simple statement is just list box one the items the clear, and that's it. So that will clear whatever I have. Oh, sorry. So that will clear whatever I have in my list box. Now for the last button, license, and what I wanted to do with the license is first of all validation. So if I click the license and nothing is selected in the box, then the error message should be output, should be displayed, and else I should have, if the age is for example less than 18, you can't have driving license, and if it's equal to 18 or over, then you can have driving license. So I will show you how we do it. I will have validation rule. So if list box the item selected, just one item, not item selected items, just item is equal to nothing, because we just select one item, then message box displayed will be saying that please select your age. Okay, so else if now, so else if the list box the item selected is less than 18, then then I will say in the label one text, sorry you some and else label one will display you can have driving license. Okay, so I have done this. So let me run through the program. I add some kind of values here, some kind of numbers, ages, and I want to, for example, clear it. I can clear it. It's too much, so the validation rules come in. I'll add some valid numbers. So when I, for example, don't select anything, it will say please select your age, and when I select this one, sorry you cannot have driving license, it's too short. It doesn't matter, it displays the message. So if I select this one, you can have driving license. That's probably it for this tutorial. As I said, this is the first part. Second part will be the second program that will show you how we use combo boxes and stuff like this. It will be second part of the large project, of this project, and so everything you learned so far will be there. I hope you learned anything. See my next tutorial for the second part of it, and see you next tutorial. Bye.